Dr. to all of you, and this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again. Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers. And today, for today's video, I will present to you a special video blog in learning the foods and discovering our food trip with the family and friends. It can be perfect for education and it can be perfect for entertainment. So, ngayon may bago namang pakulo video vlog ang inyong Ninong dito sa ating Ninong TV dahil ang inyong Ninong Denver ay tumikim ng mukbang. So, mukbang na uso to ngayon came from a Korean word which means to have a food trip.
Mukbang or mukbang, also known as an eating show, is an online audio-visual broadcast which a host consumes various quantities of food while interacting with the audience.
Any variety of authentic food, it can be noodles, seafood, kanin, no? Yung mga pinapalaman, yung mga sushi kung tawagin. So, on my experience, I will give you the floor for Ninong's Mukbang Challenge with the family. The Ninong's Classic Savory Food Adventures. Dito yan sa ating Ninong TV. You will watch together with my family. So, ang una namin tinry dito, and for several times, we are visiting this kind of restaurant. But now, on my vlog, for the first time, I will show you the Classic Savory. So, ano nga bang meron sa ating Classic Savory? Classic Savory is a rich tradition of serving timeless dishes, lasting memories. Pang big time pala itong mga pagkain na to, hindi ko alam. Kasi sabi dito, rich tradition. Ganda to. The Filipinos are known for being happy, festive people, and the one thing that is common in all Filipinos out there is this love for food. Tayo namang mga Pilipino ay mapagmahal talaga sa pagkain at gustong-gusto natin ang kahit anong lasa ng ating mga nakakain. Diba? Kahit ano pa man yan, noodles, tinapay, kape, kanin, fried chicken, yan. Basically, yan ang paborito ng mga Pinoy, fried chicken. But anyway, sa ating Classic Savory, I will give you the floor on my experience of having a special mukbang. So makikita nyo dito, ang aking family and me, your Ninong, will do a special mukbang in Classic Savory. Okay, check it out.
Video kumakain ng pansit.
Hey, Kuya, picture me!
Hi, my Ayun. Makakain ako ngayon ng pansit. Alam mo ba kung saan galing ang pansit? Oo. Kasi may taga-China doon na pangalan niya Sit. Eh pagkakain na, tawag ng nanay niya, Sit, pansit, halika na, kain na tayo. Kumain na. Delicious pansit. Mukbang tayo. Gulay. Maganda yung ganitong pansit, long life. Pangbaba ng buhay. 7. What you will share? Pansit. Yeah. Tingnan mo yung mukha niya.
Kumain ka na, Ben.
Sige.
Kumain.
and I hope kayo ay nakaroon na ng suggestion, idea kung saan kayo pwedeng kumain at saan kayo pwedeng mag-snack in your free time, in your leisure, with your family and barkada. Dito na kayo sa Classic Savory. Diba? Recommended ng inyong ninong. Talagang the good food, the best, perfect para sa inyong mga memory. Kung ikaw bagong graduate, bagong sahod, meron kang gustong i-celebrate. So, dito, maganda sa Classic Savory. Okay, for the next episode, the last but not the least, syempre, ano nga ba ang pwedeng gawin ng Classic Savory sa taong bayan, the CSR? Syempre, this is a part of educational and entertainment. As we feel blessed, let's bless others, di ba? So, I will present to you here is the CSR of Savory on how they help people aside from making delicious foods to serve for the Filipino people. And although Savory pala, we discovered that this is a kind of a Chinese, Filipino-Chinese food branch that we will discover simula pa nung kapanahonan ng mga Hapon. Kaya nandito na sila. So nakikipaglaban sila sa sarap ng pagkain. Diba? So, the CSR of the Classic Savory. Next episode. And that is all of you, and this is your Ninong. Once again, the title of our vlog is Ninong's Mukbang Challenge with the Family, the Ninong's Classic Savory Food Adventures. Maraming salamat po, and you may subscribe, like, comment, and share, and buy this video vlog for only 150 pesos and 80 pesos for screen recorder. Murang-mura lang yan, kain-kain yan, kasi presyo lang ito ni Savory. Okay? So, PM Ninong on how to avail and how to buy some of my vlogs, inclusion of this video vlog. Thank you and mabuhay.